on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy got a cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. Now today, I know we're getting ready for the summertime, but we still in spring, so I wanted to give you guys a take on a camp favorite. So we're gonna make s'mores, but not just any s'mores. We're gonna do a s'mores milkshake. So the first thing we're gonna do is get some graham crackers, and we're gonna get them all crunched up. Now, we're gonna do this thing kind of like how you salt a glass of a drink. We're gonna graham cracker the glass of this wonderful milkshake. Also, we're gonna graham cracker the straw as well. So we got our delicious graham crackers crunched up, and we're gonna put that in a little vessel just so it'll make it easier for us to dip that cup in there. And now we're gonna get the liquid part, which is Yoo-hoo. Now, Yoo-hoo is an incredible chocolate drink, but you gotta shake it up. So we're gonna get that thing all shaked up, get that chocolate all mixed up. And that's also what we're going to use to cut this ice cream with, because we don't want that very intense chocolate flavor. We want a kind of mellow chocolate flavor. We want everything to coexist beautifully. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip that glass in that Yoo-hoo soda, or that Yoo-hoo chocolate drink. We're not going to call it Yoo-hoo soda, that chocolate milk. Then we're going to dip it in those graham cracker crumbles. And look at that. We have a wonderful graham cracker mug or glass, whatever you want to call it, and that's going to be our vessel for our delicious milkshake. So we got that situated. Now we're going to do our straw, and shout out to April. This is Earth Month, so for Earth Month, no turtles was harmed in this recipe, so we're going to use disposable or reusable straws for this drink, and not disposable straws. So we got that all squared away. Then we're going to get our ice cream going. We got some good quality vanilla ice cream. You can use whatever you want to use. You can use Mayfield, Haagen-Dazs, whatever, homemade. But we got some good quality vanilla bean ice cream there. We're going to put that in a blender. And you can make this as thick as you want or as thin as you want. But like I said, we're going to cut it with that Yoo-hoo. And it just depends on how much you want to add. I like to drink my milkshakes, so I kind of aim a little bit on the thin side. But you can make it thick and use a spoon for this. It's pretty much up to you. So we got it all mixed up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some vanilla fluff in there, and this just to give us that s'mores flavor throughout this wonderful milkshake. You can omit that, you can add that, you can add some crumbs from the graham cracker in there. It's pretty much up to you. And just to get some contrast on the glass, I went on with some chocolate syrup in the inside. So we're gonna just put it all around the mug and just drizzle it in there any kind of way, but just make sure you drizzle it onto the glass, and you'll see it start to kind of fall down. And that's what you kind of want, because once you pour that milkshake in there, you're going to see a beautiful contrast on the glass. And that's just for presentation purposes. You don't have to do that, but it just makes it look cool. Like I said, my milkshake was a little bit on the thin side, but you pretty much control that. It's pretty much user's choice, or the person who's going to drink it. It's pretty much their choice on how they like their milkshakes. And to give that campfire, we're going to smoke it. I got a little pear wood right here, very fruity. So we're going to smoke it with some pear wood, but you can omit this part. You can add it. It's pretty much up to you, like I said, but I wanted to give some campfire notes to this dish. Like, s'mores are always smoky because you toast that those marshmallows over that campfire. So this is just going to give us that toasty flavor to this delicious drink. And we're going to go on with the cap, add some smoke to it, and we're going to let that smoke sit in there for about 2 or 3 minutes just to I can't even say it, just to perfume that amazing milkshake. There you go. And we're gonna pop that cap off. Look at that smoke, and that smokiness adds to this amazing shake, I'm telling you, it just takes it up an extra notch. And we're gonna give a dollop of that marshmallow fluff on top. And to add to the toasty notes again, we're gonna actually toast that with our brulee torch, just to give those that flavor that you crave when you have delicious s'mores. It's all about just give you that nostalgic note, what makes you what reminds you of what you previously had. And then we're gonna go on with some shaved chocolate. You can use whatever you want to use again. I aim more toward milk chocolate, but if you like dark chocolate, you can use that as well. But I use the chocolate traditionally used for s'mores, which is Hershey's. I know you kind of seen the package there, but it's not an endorsement or anything, but that's the chocolate most people use when it comes to making s'mores. So we're gonna get some shaved chocolate on there. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we're gonna finish with our amazing straw. And there you have it, man, the most amazing s'mores milkshake. And to top it off, we put some s'mores on the side just for presentation purposes. And it just takes it up an extra notch. So you can take a bite of the s'more and take a drink of the s'more as well. So yeah, there you have it, man. Most amazing milkshake. Thank you guys for checking this video out, man. Happy summertime, happy Earth Month or Earth Week, Earth Day, whenever you watch this. But thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.